Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to construct a triangle when given the base, one base angle, and the perimeter. To draw a thin horizontal line, you have to use your T-square to support your ruler this way. Then you can now draw the horizontal line to the required length. You can label the line. In this video, I'll be showing you how to draw a triangle given the base, one base angle, and the perimeter. Please note that the length of the line you draw should be equal to the length of the given base. Now you are to draw the base angle. You can do so using your protractor. So just place your protractor at one end of the line. I am placing my protractor on point A. Then you are to mark the given angle. If you are given angle 30, you are to mark angle 30. If you are given angle 40, you are to mark angle 40. So I'm marking my given angle. Now draw a line from point A passing through the point you marked. Now you are to subtract the base given, that is the length of AB, from the perimeter given. For example, if you are to draw a triangle of perimeter 80 mm and base 30 mm, you are to subtract 30 from 80. That is 80 minus 30, which will give you 50 mm. So you are to extend your compass to a radius of 50 mm. After subtracting your base from your perimeter, you are to extend your compass to the radius of the value you obtain. Then you have to place your compass on point A. Then cut an arc on the line you draw. Label the point where the arc intersects the line. Now draw a line joining point C and point B. Now bisect line BC. Produce the bisectors to intersect line AC. Label the point where the bisector intersects line AC. Draw a line to join point D and point B. Make line AD bold. Indicate the angle. I will label my angle theta, but you have to indicate your actual angle you use. You can dimension your drawing. You are to write the actual length of your base on the point where I wrote given base. And you are to write the actual length of your perimeter minus the actual length of your base on the point where I wrote given perimeter minus base. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you're having challenge with any of your engineering drawing or technical drawing assignments, you can send the question to the WhatsApp number displayed. I will solve the questions and send a video of the solution to you. It's completely free, it will not cost you a dime.